Experiencing Wi-Fi connectivity problems with your Hisense Xumo TV can be frustrating. Let's address the common causes and step-by-step solutions to get your TV connected. First, ensure your modem and router are properly connected to the internet by testing other devices like phones or computers. This confirms whether the issue is with your TV or your internet connection. On your Xumo TV, verify that you've selected the correct Wi-Fi network name, also called the SSID, and entered the password accurately. Remember that passwords are case-sensitive, so check your capitalization carefully. A simple restart of both your Xumo TV and router can often resolve connectivity issues. Unplug them from the power source, wait 1 to 2 minutes, and then plug them back in. If the problem persists, consider the signal strength. Move your router closer to the TV or remove any obstructions that might be blocking the signal. If you're using a Wi-Fi hotspot, make sure it has a strong signal and can connect other devices. Ensure your TV's software is up to date by checking for updates in Settings, then Device Settings, then About. Having the latest firmware can resolve many connectivity issues. If you're still having trouble, try forgetting the current network in your TV's settings and reconnecting. This clears any corrupted connection data and establishes a fresh connection to your Wi-Fi network. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps should resolve most Wi-Fi connectivity issues with your Hisense Xumo TV. Work through each step methodically for the best results. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced network settings can resolve persistent Wi-Fi issues. First, reset your TV's network settings to clear any corrupted configurations. Next, configure your IP and DNS settings. Check if your TV is set to DHCP for automatic configuration. If issues persist, switch to manual settings and use Google's public DNS servers. Access your router's admin interface to check critical settings. Disable MAC address filtering, which can block your TV, and verify your router broadcasts both frequency bands. If all else fails, perform a factory reset to restore your TV to original settings. This will erase all personal data and downloaded apps, so use this as a last resort. If none of these solutions work, you may have a hardware problem, such as a failing Wi-Fi module. Contact Hisense support for professional assistance and potential repair or replacement options.